What's up everybody? So in today's video we're going to be doing a practicality test between the Audi R8 and the Nissan GT-R. Now for those of you who are going to take this video way too seriously, why in the world are we doing this? Why not? It's called having fun. So we're gonna have some fun. Some part of me does think the GT-R is going to win at every single thing we throw its way.
Possibly.
I don't know why, but
we've done this with our previous cars with the Lotus and the Z's and the Gen. And we've had a lot of comments from you guys on wanting to do it again with our current cars, so let's go ahead and check out the differences.
So number one on the list, if you ever have to put a human body in your trunk space of your vehicle, we're gonna find out, is the R8 better or is the GT-R better for this?
And this isn't really that dumb of a scenario, because if you guys come down here and look, there's an emergency release hatch in case you get stuck inside.
Yeah, so at least...
So they put it there.
Yeah.
But this is not gonna be fun.
And of course you shouldn't actually be putting people in your trunk of your car, but of course this represents kind of the space and how good the space is. You're looking pretty good.
It was way better than the Lotus storage space.
Yeah?
Okay.
Close it up.
You want to... I can't reach. Alright, I got it. There we go.
You sure? Can't
Hello.
get any closer?
The roof is, or the roof. The hood is very hot on my head.
Yeah.
But no, that's it.
Try with your legs out.
I could just chill here if we're like going somewhere.
Yeah. I'm sure you can fold up and
I'm
fit.
gonna get stuck.
There's an emergency hatch. You got it. You got it.
That's about it, bro.
All right. See you later.
It's so hot in here.
You got it? All right. Well, I think that's a fail.
Yeah. It's really like a backpack or two.
Yeah.
And even then, you're cramming some stuff in here.
Well,
right.
Mid-engine supercar, that's what you got. So, on to the GT-R. Pop the trunk. And I'll hand the camera off and we'll see if possibly I can actually fit in here.
Alright, here we go.
Here, you take my key.
Yep. Oh yeah. Just in case. I don't know where your release is on the inside yet. I'm sure I could find it.
Right here.
Well, no, I know that one, but...
This one's just right under here.
Alright. Are you gonna close it or you want me to close it?
I got it.
You got a latch for it. Alright. See you later.
Bye.
Well, obviously that's successful. He has that much cargo space.
And this thing does a good job. It
Hey, look at that.
Actually, let me bring the camera in here.
Okay.
Maybe y'all can see it. Let's my view of. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Ready?
Yep. All right, guys. This is the trunk of the GT-R. There we go. Not bad.
All right. So 1 to nothing. All right. So next up is a storage capacity test. Yeah.
Storage test?
Storage test.
All right, there we go.
Storage capacity test.
There you go.
All right. Obviously, we could throw these in the Tacoma, which we do when we go snowboarding, but both of these are all-wheel drive, and we don't have any ski racks or ski boxes or anything like that. So
snowboarding is life when it's winter.
Snowboarding is life.
So this
worked in the Lotus.
So this is, yeah, obviously it's not going to fit up front.
What do you mean? It will.
Well, no.
Have to recline the seat.
In the trunk space.
Yeah, oh yeah, it won't fit up front.
And probably
that was much better than the Lotus.
The Lotus, like, you barely had an inch right there.
Yeah, but
close the door.
Yeah, that's it. I don't have any passenger space.
Not bad. Yeah. So snowboard fits in the passenger seat, so you can go snowboarding. Not bad.
But it's only by myself.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. Okay.
On to the GT-R, which I guess we'll start off with the trunk, even though I'm pretty confident it won't fit. So yeah. So there's the end of the trunk. That is it.
I guess if you had one on each side, you know, you could get a bigger wing.
Yeah. If this is fine here, I could technically have somebody behind me. I mean, it wouldn't be the best spot.
Your snowboard gets priority for riding shotgun.
I mean, that fits easily.
Yeah.
And I could fit somebody theoretically sitting behind me. So, and I could almost even have two right here.
Yeah, you could probably move that seat up a little bit too for legroom behind you.
There's a lot of...
Possibly.
You know, I could fit somebody behind me.
That's just funny though.
I mean... 2
people in the back and a snowboard up front. Hey, it'll work.
Good.
Or snowboard or two.
Should I try the back seat just for the heck? Okay, so I have some...
Well, it might stick out of the window. Or not. Yeah.
Come on. We're close.
Dang.
It's pretty darn close.
Yeah.
If I really finagled it, it possibly could get there. But
Maybe out of the bag.
yeah.
But that really stinks that at least if both seats folded down, you could put 2 in, probably end to end to the back of the seats.
Yeah, that's why I know it's a supercar that has way more practicality than anything else in its performance class, but that would be really cool. 2 people could go snowboarding with a GT-R without a roof rack.
Yeah. It's 2.5 to 0.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the next step, why would you ever be blindfolded getting into a car? But we're going to see just how easy it is for each of us to get in the other person's car, start it up, and just be able to move it at least a foot or so. I think is a good compromise.
All right, well,
so,
let me get to your front bumper. Where's that?
Okay, and we're going to time this. Keep going. Keep going. All right, right there.
What is this?
That's the front wheel. I'll let you guess.
Is that a headlight?
Yes.
All right, so I'm at your headlight.
Yep.
Okay, key.
Yep.
I have no clue what unlock or lock is.
Yeah.
Which one's, is there a panic button that's on the side?
No, there's no, it doesn't really work.
Oh, that's weird.
You know, it's just there, I think.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta start with the quick car lock, so you can go ahead and lock it.
Okay. I think I locked it, but
All right, so I got unlock. I'm pretty sure that's locked.
we'll see.
I'm confident.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Last time we made it difficult and we made ourselves dizzy before we hopped in. You're go. Yeah, we're good with the door. You're good with the door. Sorry, we didn't check that first.
You go first. All right.
Stop. Oh, timer. So, are you gonna shut it off? You're rolling. You're rolling. Put the e-brake on. All right. So that's just my fan. It's like 105 out right now. So you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really bright out.
Yeah. Well, I got you at 31.2, but I didn't stop it. So let's say 29 even.
Yeah, not bad.
I think it took us longer last time when we were dizzy.
Yeah.
So.
Not bad.
All right. Now my turn. All right. So is it locked?
Yes, it is.
How many? You have 3 buttons on here.
And one is the panic. Wait, I think.
One is the panic.
Oh, there's 4 buttons. A panic and a trunk button
Why
too.
do you have 4?
Wait, I need your phone. Where's your phone?
It's in my pocket.
Oh, I gotta do that.
I think it's still on the timer.
What do you have? You have lock, unlock?
So you have more than 3 buttons?
I have 4 buttons.
Where's the other one? There's nothing on this side.
That's your deal.
I'll do this side.
Ready? In 3.
I've never been in your...
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Mirror. Okay. Your handle's not... Okay. That was lock. There we go. Am I gonna hit the wall at all?
You're good.
Oh, it's right. Ah.
All right, stop. 33-1.
It's only because I should have looked at your key fob before we started.
I didn't look at yours.
Dang.
33-1, so that's, I at least beat you by 3 seconds.
No.
Dude, it took you like
Let's have a handicap.
took you an hour to find the start button. You were pushing where the automatic logo is in there.
Well, when I first got in your car earlier today, I went to go push it like in my truck.
Yeah.
And it wasn't there, so it was in the center.
Dang.
But that was, I don't know, that wasn't bad.
I mean, a few seconds
your door
off.
handle's a little odd because you know you're like this. Like where's the braille in case you're blind?
Yeah.
Hey, that's why it's there, right?
All right, so now for points though, I won, but your car actually won. So
My car. Oh yeah.
your car
so
won.
then I get the points.
Dang it! But I won.
Only by a little bit.
Dang. But your car won, I guess. Dang it, that sucks.
Keep it tied. Hey,
So-
Maddie's ready for the next one.
So you now have
So we're
1.5, and I have 2.5.
Okay.
All right then.
All right.
On to number
Maddie?
4. Is it 4?
Is it Maddie? Is that number 4?
I don't know.
Maddie, come here.
On to number 4.
All right, come on, Maddie. All right, so the next test for today is putting Maddie in the car. A lot of you guys love to see Maddie in the videos.
Hey, Maddie.
So we're gonna have her hop in my seat. She's a little wet. So we're gonna give you...
Really only going to cover the bottom, I think.
Yeah, I see that now. You wanna go for a ride in my car? Oh gosh. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit. Don't sit on the shifter. Good, okay.
she goes.
Look at that.
Close the door.
Look at that styling.
She looks really good against it.
I should take
Hey,
her
Matt.
for a ride.
Let's see what she looks like on the
What do
other
you guys
side.
think? Thumbs up for Maddie fitting in the R8.
How's she doing? Does she look happy though? That's important.
Yeah, she looks happy.
Maddie, you look like $1 million.
Ready to come out.
And your seat.
It's okay. Well, we tried to dry her off as much as we could, but look at that. All right.
All right.
So that's the point, and she's already left.
Maddie, come on back, buddy. Let's go.
Maddie, come here.
Come on. All right.
Come here.
Wait, get back. Get back. Don't move.
Halt.
Stay there, buddy.
Halt.
Now, see, we'll also got to try her in the back seat, because...
Okay.
All right, buddy.
Get in. Go on, hop in.
Gentle Maddie, don't scratch anything. Sit. Sit right there. Sit. Sit.
It's hot in there,
sit.
too, for her, so...
Okay, good girl. Stay right there.
Well, her paws are in the way, but...
Stay right there.
That.
Stay right there, Maddie. Let's see how she looks like on this side.
Good girl. Stay in there. Sit down.
Sit. Can you sit, buddy?
Sit down. Good girl.
Now, does she look as happy, more happy, or less happy?
I think she's just really hot.
Yeah, she looks pretty happy. Good
You
girl.
should be happy in both.
Yeah. Now.
Want to put her in the back?
Yep, Maddie. You want to go in the back seats? All right, let's.
You got stuff in the way.
Yeah, gotta clean all that stuff out. Gentle, good girl. All right, can you get right up there? Good girl. Can you sit?
It is so hot back there
Sit. Maddie, no, Maddie, come. Sit. Can you sit, buddy? Good girl. Sit.
There's Maddie.
Sit.
Hey, Maddie.
Sit.
I don't think she likes the back seat.
She looks happy.
Are you happy?
Sit. Lay down.
Give me your paw if you're happy. She wants out.
All right, bud. All right, come on, ready? So next test, since these are all-wheel drive cars, I daily drive the GT-R, and he pretty much almost daily drives the R8. We're gonna test out a 3-point turn scenario. So we're gonna start right on this line in the driveway, like right there, and basically see how a 3-point turn does in the driveway.
Before you go, is the finish line getting past this line again?
3, 2, 1, go. Stop. All right. So I stopped there right when his rear tire passed this line. We're at 21 seconds. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. 21 seconds. I stopped it when your back tire left that line by the tree.
Okay.
I think that's a good time.
We'll see.
You didn't hit the wall.
Good. Yeah, I know. I can see it.
Yeah. For those of you who guys remember, actually way back in the Nismo, that is where I ran into the wall right there. And let's not do that with the GT-R this time.
Yeah.
So to do it in the GT-R, the way I'm going to do this so I can at least have a better advantage, I'm going to hold down the save button, and this is going to flash a few times in a few seconds. And that is actually turning off basically the front wheel drive system.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Well, dang.
So I've been told that, and I think it actually makes a difference because there won't be any wheel chop or anything weird like that.
So do we have to do 2 tests for your car?
No.
Okay.
This one.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. I get a lot of the wheel hop on my car, so it'd be interesting to see if he doesn't, if he can get through this much quicker than myself. Is he gonna? Oh, okay. 18, crap. So you beat me by 3 seconds.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I wonder if there's a difference between having to use the manual versus this and having to get it out of first and into reverse and back into first. You just have to go ching ching.
Yeah. And with
But
that off,
yeah, 3 seconds.
with that in normal mode,
Yeah.
front end clicks and kind of shakes.
I didn't hear it chirp like my car did.
Yeah.
Do you think it heard my wheels chirp on camera?
I don't know.
Oh. All right, so that is another point, which we already knew, we already knew.
Hey, you were the star, Maddie. You were the star. All right, guys, so I think that about wraps up the practicality test between the GT-R and the Audi R8. I think we kind of knew who was going to win that. Obviously, the GT-R is literally designed to be the every single day supercar. Works very well for me as my only car. I have no issues. It's a normal car, to be honest.
I don't think I could have this as my only car, which is why I have my Tacoma as well. I've been able to pack a good amount of stuff in it for what it can do with it.
Better than the Lotus.
Better than the Lotus.
A lot more space,
Yes.
a lot easier in every single way.
Yep, it doesn't get hot up front because the Lotus storage was behind the engine, so that's convenient. I can put anything up front and not worry about it melting.
Yeah, that is a good point.
Like chocolate bars.
Yeah.
Not that I eat candy. An example.
So overall practicality, the R8 for what it is very good, but of course it's not going to be the GT-R. Anyways, that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it funny, and for those of you, again, who are going to take it really serious and ask why in the world that we did this should be a test driving video, only sports car stuff. Have fun in life.
We could do that coming soon too.
Yeah, we have to do that.
We haven't done that yet.
We need to race these because, well, I think the GT-R might win again.
But manual should have a handicap. So that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it again. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos of the rides.
The next videos will probably have more performance stuff. But anyways, that is today's video. We'll see you guys next video. All right, so what's the last thing we got to do to end today's video?
Clean my car again, because I cleaned it 2 days ago.
Yeah. Well, practicality test, that is what happens when you park under a tree. That is what happens.